How's it going, everyone? So in this video, I'm going to do remove a boil step-by-step instant gains. So before I get started, please subscribe to my channel if you guys haven't already. I do appreciate the support. It helps my channel grow. So how do you remove a boil? I've had probably 10 boils in my lifetime. They're very, very common. Usually you get them because of a boil's just an infected hair follicle. So what happens a lot of times is sweat or bacteria get clogged inside your pores, and then you get the infected hair follicle, which is the boil. So all you have to do is very simple. Get a face cloth or towel, put it underneath warm water, not hot water, just warm water, and then hold it on the boil for 5 minutes. After 5 minutes, the face cloth is not going to be warm anymore. Put it underneath warm water again. Hold on the boil again for another 5 minutes. Keep doing this 5 to 6 times. So a total of 25 to 30 minutes, you will hold the face cloth on the boil. This is amazing. It's a very easy trick. It will drain the boil naturally. You will not get infection by doing this. A lot of people try to pop a boil. That sends bacteria back into the body. That will give you infection. So never try to pop it. Drain it with a face cloth. End of video. Thank you guys so much for watching. Please subscribe to my channel if you guys haven't already.